letchus ricket. Next is our main ingredient. Boil the egg and slice only the white part. Now let's add a 4 spoons of mayonnaise treat. This is my homemade healthy mayonnaise. Finally, let's add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder to it. Now let's mix it all together. It doesn't need to be mixed for a long time. Just give it a little and mix it. We can select the vegetable item of our choice to make the sandwich. I have taken so many things here. Guys, egg sandwich is my favorite snack. My mom makes most of the day in the evening. So guys, now our fillings are ready here. Next we need to toast the bread. First of all, take a pan and let's heat it on this induction cooker. The bread should be toasted in low heat. The pan is hot. Let's put some butter in it. Now slowly put a slice of bread into the pan